What a year, guys. 2020 has been insane. We've seen a worldwide pandemic. The stock market is hitting all-time highs. I bought a house, I got married, and despite all of this craziness, my investment portfolio is up over 100% this year. Now, as an investor, we all know that being diversified is a good strategy. It's a good way of risk management. But if I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I am not diversified at all, because I am all in on this new investment that I started earlier this year, and that investment is Bitcoin. Now, to be fair, I still have 6 months worth of emergency savings in case of an emergency. So the money that I am investing with is money that I can afford to lose. And I'm also a younger investor, and so that means that I can take on more risk. And so what I'm looking at is Bitcoin's market cap and comparing it to its competitors like gold, the US dollar, and the total global market of all currencies. And so the way that I see it is I compare Bitcoin's market cap to that of gold's or the US dollars in order to have an idea of where Bitcoin could potentially go. And on top of that, Bitcoin offers roughly around a 4.5% interest rate, which is much better than any of the interest rates that I'm getting from my savings accounts, my CD rates, or even most of the dividend paying stocks right now, while also being the hardest asset that we have today. And this means that its supply cannot be changed and its value can't be deflated like all of the other currencies that we're using today. And I expect to see Bitcoin's price anywhere between $500,000 and $5 million within the next 5 to 10 years. And this price prediction is actually on the more of a conservative side. So on top of that, I'm also making that 4.5% every single year in an asset that's appreciating over time compared to those currencies that I was holding before. So this is not only a great way to hedge against inflation, but to also create an income. Also, I need you guys to understand that Bitcoin is a long-term buy and hold strategy for me. I am not trading Bitcoin. And so with a market cap this small, we have experienced a lot of volatility. And as we continue to see many of these large investors enter the space, this will drive up the price dramatically, and on top of that, it will decrease the amount of volatility. But right now, this volatility is leading to a lot of these smaller investors or these traders to be manipulated by the markets and sell out of their Bitcoin because they're afraid the price is gonna continue to go down, and these large institutional buyers are buying up all those Bitcoin at a discounted price. And so this is why I am not trading my Bitcoin. I'm trying to look at the bigger picture. I'm not trying to be greedy and predict the markets because I don't want to be manipulated by the market. I'm just slowly accumulating more and more Bitcoin over time. And I will be continuing to add to my Bitcoin position until Bitcoin hits $500,000 a coin. And so like I said before, not only have I doubled my investment portfolio this year, but I've also found a way of creating a passive income with my Bitcoin holdings. And you can actually check out the links that I have below and take a look at BlockFi.com and blockchain.com and check out what their interest rates are at and what you could be potentially making on your Bitcoin holdings. And so if you guys are interested in learning more on how you guys can make a passive income while working that 9 to 5, or while you're sleeping, then make sure to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more content like this in the future. And so I just want to remind you guys that despite this year, 2020, has been the craziest year that I've ever experienced, there's always an opportunity in the markets to take advantage. And so this video is not financial advice. It's just to let you guys know what I'm up to personally, what my investments are in, what my account looks like, to give you guys a better understanding and trying to be more transparent with you guys in what I'm doing currently. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys had an amazing 2020 despite all the craziness. I hope you guys are being safe out there, you're staying healthy, and I hope to be seeing you guys very soon in the upcoming episode. Take it easy, guys.